It's Super Casual Thursday, apparently. I've got a Zoom meeting with my quintet. This week we're doing a ton of stuff. Today, before we meet next week, we are having a discussion and a planning sesh to plan those out. I'm cozy. I'm in my sweater. I've got my little caramel pumpkin swirl candle going. We have these lovely flowers from the garden, so that's nice. 1 minute and counting. I gotta open up these docs. I knew I would regret this day, but it has to be done. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm trapped inside. I'm giving lessons because I had a recital last night, and all the lessons that I would have taught last night, I am teaching today. It's kind of good that I'm trapped in this room today though, because I am focusing on the reed quintet repertoire that it's not that I've been putting off, it just hasn't been my main focus. So I've got 2.5 days to get it. I actually really hate one of the pieces that we're playing. Hate is too strong of a word. I actively dislike one of the pieces that we're playing. It's Ravel's Tombeau de Couperin. Number one, it's an orchestral piece that I don't love. I love the pavane, I love Daphnis. I just never got into Tombeau de Couperin. Or is it originally a piano piece? I've heard both. You don't always get to program your own show. Last night was an exception. If you haven't seen my recital vlog, go see it. Yeah, I actively dislike one of the pieces that we're playing, which makes it really hard for me to practice it. And the other pieces are just kind of hard. So it's gonna be a lot of repetition today. And believe it or not, that's under tempo. It goes faster. Hi, we're in the bathroom. My task for today is to clean the bathroom because our oboist is staying with us. Tidying up has just become a full-blown deep clean of the place. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh. I can't disturb her. I really need to practice. Oh, there she is. My heart. Okay, well, the practice candle has been lit. The bathroom has been cleaned. The entire house has been cleaned. It looks and smells fantastic. But if I don't get dressed, I'm just gonna succumb to sitting on the couch because I'll just take 15 minutes and scroll. I've already fallen down a hole of Instagram once already today. Or just change out of this into probably a similar looking outfit, but it's different. And now it's time to focus on my quintet stuff because that's why you're here in this video. Yeah, I'm gonna change. Okay, we've changed. I've put on a little outfit that I feel cute in. I can get some serious practice work done in. And if I wanted to, I could even do yoga after, which I do plan to do, but not sure if that's gonna pan out. Round one is metronome work on the Ravel. Relocated. So if you watched my recital video, you might know about the gastro issue that I had. I'm apparently allergic to pumpkin seeds, and I found that out an hour before my recital. I need a snack. So I'm gonna have 19th hole snack. I haven't eaten anything all day because I'm afraid to eat because I'm afraid of what my stomach is gonna do to me, so. We're on to round 2, where we're gonna practice the world premiere piece that we're doing. And guess what? It's fast! We've made it to round 3. This is just reviewing the 3 pieces that I've played before that, you guessed it, are also pretty hard. One of them's hard. What do I do when I'm up there? The best way to relax. It's like a White Claw, but for gardening. It's been a super quiet, nice, productive, rainy, cozy morning. I just got everything done that I needed to get done before my friend arrives today. Today is the first day of rehearsal. I'm excited just to see everybody, see what the music sounds like. I know I mentioned that I don't really like one of the pieces that we're playing, but honestly, it's growing on me. I'm really glad that I had a long practice day yesterday. It definitely needed that. My reed quintet bestie. We're very much alike, we're very similar. So having her here is actually just something that I'm looking forward to. It's just a little bit different. So, warming up didn't really happen for me. I didn't want to do it too close to rehearsal because it's a 3-hour rehearsal and I didn't want to get burnt out on the practicing. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna head over. I'm gonna be wicked early, but they all said they'd be there at 6 and it's just before 5 and it's rush hour. So I also think it's my lot in life that whenever Calliope gets together, I get injured muscularly. All I did today was stretch, and I think I stretched something a little bit too much. Whoa! Dude! Get away from the candle!
And then wouldn't respond to my emails about how to fix it for 2 weeks. Yeah. Yeah. It's every movement. Yeah. So we start thinking about this one. Sorry. That was neat because there's a natural range. I thought it belonged to a different note. I'm already playing this piece against my will. No. Should we start it again? Yeah. You can force me to play it. Is this one you felt should be that? Did you stop playing? Yeah, I stopped playing.